Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries worldwide. But what does this mean for you? Will AI create more jobs or replace them? Today, we're diving into the opportunities and challenges AI brings to the job market. Let's get started. AI is transforming the way we work. From automation in manufacturing to AI-driven customer service chatbots, machines are taking over repetitive and data-driven tasks. A 2023 report from the World Economic Forum predicted that 85 million jobs could be displaced by AI. By 2025, but 97 million new jobs may also be created. So is AI a threat or an opportunity? Despite fears of job loss, AI is also opening exciting new career paths. Here are 3 booming AI-related job sectors. 1. AI development and engineering. Companies need skilled developers to build and maintain AI systems. 2. AI ethics and regulation. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical concerns grow. Experts are needed to ensure fair and responsible AI use. 3. Human-AI collaboration roles. AI still needs human oversight. Jobs like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and automation specialists are on the rise. On the flip side, some jobs are at risk due to AI automation. The most vulnerable include data entry and administrative roles. AI can process information faster and more accurately. Retail and customer service, AI chatbots, and self-checkout systems are reducing demand for human workers. Transportation and logistics. With self-driving technology advancing, truck drivers and delivery workers may be impacted. So, how can you stay ahead in this AI-powered job market? Your 3 key strategies. Learn AI skills. Even if you're not a programmer, understanding AI fundamentals can boost your career prospects. Develop soft skills. AI can't replace human creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. Stay adaptable. Technology is evolving fast. Lifelong learning is the key to staying relevant. The truth is, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to transform how we work. While some jobs may disappear, new opportunities will arise. The key is to adapt and embrace change. What do you think, Will? AI be a job killer or a job creator? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI insights.